Hello guys, let's learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about another wonderful software by Adobe, and that is Adobe Express. Adobe Express is basically an online software that you can use to create your designs or animations or do daily day-to-day activities tasks. So we are going to have a look in detail about this software. So you have to open Creative Cloud desktop application, and here you will find the Adobe Express. Just click on it, and this is the interface of Adobe Express. Okay, so at first glance you can see that there are multiple things that you can do with the help of Adobe Express, including removal of background, creating flyer, Instagram reel or stories, generate QR codes. You do not need to go to any other platform to create QR codes. Then we have presentations, web page, Animate Characters, like loads of things. We can create Instagram ad, carousels, we can do mobile video, Facebook story. We have ready-made templates for these, so we are going to have a look one by one, and we won't be able to cover each and every feature in this video, but we are going to cover most of them so you can get the idea what is the significance of this application. Okay, so get started. Okay, so just to get started, I'm going to create a post in which I will be using multiple features of Adobe Express. So let's start with generate with AI. So here you can see multiple options for generating AI. So I'm going to create first of all the background that I will be using for the background. So once you click on generate, so here is the interface where we can generate images with the help of AI. Right now the dimension is square dimension, that has 1:1 ratio, but we can always resize it with the help of this resize option. There are just preset sizes from where we can select, and we can also make use of the custom size. So for now we are just keeping it by as 1080 by 1080 pixel. Okay, let's hide it. Now we are going to generate image. Click on the generate image. Okay, once you click on the generate image, you will see this interface, and this square box is the dimension of the image that is going to be created. Okay, let's type something retro funky beach background. Okay, and we can use any reference image to adopt the style, and we can also select the style, like if you want it as in photographic or art. So in this scenario I am just keeping it for the photo, and then we have further sub styles, digital art. So I'm not selecting anything right now, and just have a look what it creates. Okay, so here we can see that it has generated 4 images and it looks very much good. Yeah, so I'm just adopting this one, just to scale it up so that it matches with the size of the artboard. We are going on the next feature of this Adobe Express. Here we can see that we do not need this boat or yacht in the air, so let's remove this yacht. So what we have to do, just cross it. Here you can see remove object tool. Okay, once you click on the remove object, you can always change the size of the brush, right, and just simply paint on it, and once you are satisfied, simply click remove. Okay, so you can see that it has beautifully removed the yard that was unnecessary in the background, and it has given us 3 options, so most of them are same. So just click on keep. Now we have our modified background with yard remove. Okay, so we are going to test another option, that is to add something, to add some object. So let's select this option, insert object. Once again we can change the size of the brush, so we can choose which area is to be selected on which the new object is to be created. Okay, so I'm just selecting this area, and I am just going to type white shape and hit insert. Okay, so we can see that it has created 3 options, and that looks wonderfully well. So we can choose any one of them and simply hit keep. So now we are done with the creation of our background. Now it's the time to put some text into it, and so we have to test another feature of Adobe Express. Click on text, and from here click add your text. Okay, so I am just going to type, let's suppose, Adobe Express. Adobe Express. I can change the font, but since we are going to use generate text effects with the help of AI, we are going to create text. So simply hit generate text effect. Okay, Now from here you can choose the font that you want to use. Okay, we can adjust the spacing or the letter spacing between each other. So let's just keep it on default. Let's put it on 2 lines and we can put it here, and we can type anything in the prompt, or we can select some prompt that are already there, like liquid mercury, dragon skins, these sort of things. Okay, so let's try something with our own prompt. So I'm just going to type white clouds. Okay, let's see what it creates. It does not seem perfect, but it has given us what we asked to do. Here is the Adobe Express in the form of clouds. That is not going well with the background much, but let's keep it for now. And let's use some prompts that are already there. Well, let's suppose we are going to use gold drip. Let's see. Okay, so it has created the text in the form of gold. Okay, if we zoom it in, so we can see that it has created marginally well results. Okay, so we are just keeping it for now here, and let's move on to the next thing. Okay, the next thing that we are going to incorporate in this post is to add animation. Okay, so we are going to select media. Okay, and when we click on the media, we can see that here is the new beta feature of Adobe Express, that is animate character. Okay, so let's choose animate character, and the good thing is that we can incorporate our animation in the design that we have already created. So there are multiple characters you can see on the right hand side, so I'm just using this one for now. Okay, so here is the record button. You can record your voice, and then the character will be automatically animated within the Adobe Express within a matter of few seconds. Okay, so I'm just clicking on record. Hello guys, let's learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. And once you are done, click on done. Okay, so it has created our animation. We can scale it up, play it. Hello guys, let's learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. Okay, so it has done a wonderful job. Okay, so our animation is ready. We can place it anywhere on our artboard. We can also scale it up, and we can also preview it. Hello guys, today we are going to learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. So it has created a very good result. Okay, so how we can get rid of this background? You can see there another wonderful feature of Adobe Express, that is the remove background. It works on both video and as well as static images. So we are going to use remove background for this clip. Okay, great. So it has just removed the background from our animation, and you can see that our animation is perfectly working. Okay, so let's place our character here. It might not be perfect, but with the repeated attempts we can get the desired results. Okay, so here is our animation ready. We can also add some more animation effects to it, like when we click on this clip, we can click on animation and we can use multiple features from here. So let's use shrink here. Okay, we can also apply animation effects on our text and other things. We can also add shadow, and we can also add animation effects. So let's use this one. Let's play it. So it looks good. So when you are satisfied, there are many things to add in this post, but for the basic understanding of some more important features, we have created this animation. Okay, one thing is left that we will do after exporting it. Okay, so I'm just downloading this. We are downloading in the form of MP4. Let's download this one. Okay, so our download is ready. Now another thing that mentioned, that we are going to add captions on this particular animation. Like this is a very small animation, so like 5 to 6 seconds, but if you are creating a lengthy animation in Adobe Express, so there is always an option of adding captions in it. So this option is right now somewhat hidden, but here is a link to add caption to the video. So I will drop this link in the description as well. So let's browse it and use the video that we have just downloaded. Once you just import the video in Adobe Express, you can see that it has already started adding captions to your video. Here you can see. Hello guys, let's learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. So you can see that the animation is already there on the right hand side. So there are multiple styles that we can adopt. Like this one, we can always change the color of the shapes, and here like we can use this one. We can also select any other options, and we can have this one. So basically there are infinite options to play with. Hello guys, let's learn something new about Adobe Express in this video. it looks very cool. So in this video I tried my level best to explain few important features of Adobe Express, like how to generate image with the help of AI, how to remove background, how to insert object, how to remove objects, or in fact how to create some small animations for your project. And look, everything is done within a matter of minutes. So I believe that you must have liked this video. So keep learning, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.